good evening. You're watching Breaking Ground and I'm Swati Joshi. Let's begin the broadcast with some breaking news coming in. Now, in the press conference just held a couple of minutes back by the Aam Aadmi Party, the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi claimed that in the last 3 months, she was evicted from the official CM residence 2 times by the centre. Now, according to sources in the PWD department, we are being told that there was a detailed explanation on the entire saga. In fact, the PWD department has spoken about the reasons why the allotment was withdrawn. We're given to understand one of the reasons was that she did not take physical possession of the house. Now, the showdown over Delhi Chief Minister's house in Delhi is only intensifying. PWD sources are rejecting the charges leveled by Atishi, saying that she never took possession of the house. The allotment was withdrawn as the CM did not move in. She did not move into the house in 3 months. Tetri is joining us on the broadcast with more details. First, the entire, political face-off on Sheesh Mahal, and now Atishi claiming that she was evicted twice from the CM residence in the last 3 months. PWD sources are telling us that there are reasons why that has happened. That Atishi did not move into the bungalow allotted within the stipulated time period. She did not take physical possession, and also the reason being investigation which is underway. Tetri.
Well, absolutely. As of now, Atishi, the Chief Minister of Delhi, just held a press conference along with Cabinet Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj and Rajya Sabha MP Sanjay Singh, in which she had made big claims. She in fact stated that just a night before, while the Delhi Assembly election schedule was going to be announced by the Election Commission, she was thrown out of her official CM residence that was allotted to her. And in fact, she also alleged that this is not happening for the first time. In fact, that has already happened. That has happened earlier as well, and not just that, but she also in fact claimed that in past 3 months it has happened for the second time that she has been asked to vacate the house. And in fact, she also made big allegation that not just vacate the house, but also she was thrown out of the house.
But also she was thrown out of the house, and then she further stated that she, along with her family, in the previous time as well, when the house was in fact taken from her, while she was asked to vacate the house without any information, along with her belongings, she was thrown along with her family members. So yes, this is in fact the big breaking news that we are getting right now amidst the Delhi election. This in fact will again be becoming a big political controversy as well. And in fact, not just this, but also in fact, Sanjay Singh's Aam Aadmi Party's Sanjay Singh has also in fact stated that he, along with the media, will be going to the residence of Chief Minister at 6 Flagstaff Road, and there they will be visiting the residence.
Let's break down the details for our viewers. Tetri, let's first listen to what the Chief Minister of the National Capital alleged, and she said that she was thrown out of her house twice in the last 3 months. Let's listen into that specific reaction.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार ने जो मेरा सरकारी आवास है, जो मुख्यमंत्री आवास है, जो मुझे अलॉट हुआ है मुख्यमंत्री होने के नाते, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार ने मुझे 3 महीने में दूसरी बार उस मुख्यमंत्री आवास से निकालकर बाहर फेंक दिया, चिट्ठी भेजकर मुख्यमंत्री आवास का अलॉटमेंट कैंसिल किया और मुख्यमंत्री आवास एक चुनी हुई सरकार की चुनी हुई मुख्यमंत्री से छीन लिया.
Tetri, that's a very big charge leveled by Atishi. She says, चुनी हुई मुख्यमंत्री से निवास छीन लिया. Now, PWD sources telling us that there are several reasons. The fact that the investigation is underway, so the team needed to go and access the residence time and again. 1, 2, that the physical possession of the bungalow was not taken. We're also given to understand that the PWD offered 2 other alternatives to Atishi.
Well, absolutely. You see, what we are getting to know from our sources is that our sources in fact reveal that according to the letters that we have accessed, and in fact these letters in fact state that she has not been asked to move out of the house, she was not evicted, and in fact not just that, she never shifted at that particular residence, and in fact her official residence was AB 17 Mathura Road is what the document states, and in fact that is the residence that was allotted to her. And in fact, if I read out the 4 reasons as to why the house has been taken away according according to the letter. So in fact there were several reasons, and in fact also we have also the details. So as to what are the reasons that the houses have been taken and what the sources have been saying on this. So in fact the first reason is that she was supposed to take the possession of the house within 1 week. So this is the time duration that she was supposed to take, and in fact stay in that particular official residence of the chief minister, but she did not do so in the time period of 3 months, and that is why the rules clearly stipulate. In fact, that is why this particular order has come to light. Post that the second reason what we are getting to know is that the residence that is at Civil Lines, that is the 6 Flagstaff Road, which is often being called by the BJP as the Sheesh Mahal, and which is also in the controversy. So that particular residence is also under the scrutiny, and not just that, but also first it was under scrutiny of ED and CBI, and now it is under the scrutiny of the CAG. And in fact there was a fresh war of words, the political war of words, after the CAG report came out, where it was mentioned
All right.
that
Well, this is the latest flashpoint, the latest issue, the new addition to the list of issues that has led to a face-off and led to political temperature soaring. Tejasri, thank you very much for getting us the details. Now, the day